Max. Who's happy to see the vet? No, not me phone. Come on. Do the dance. Do the happy dance.
What dog is it?
The pulley and the commando. The pulley. The small rasta is the pulley. The big white rasta is the commando. Maggie. The giant is Newfoundland on the island. You love your vet, eh? Yes.
No, it's cool.
The best product in the world, the most reliable product right now for flea stick, lice mite, especially in Grenada. Plus there is another dog aggravating the situation. The owner has improved our restraint technique. You ready? We are going to try to do nail clipping. You ready? Try with the less than favorable hind limb. It's pretty clear toes. He's a dog that easily gets the quick, so we try to be fairly safe. Ah boy, so far so good.